coverage of your events on radio and social media. Video and photo coverages feature on magazines, photo books, and others. News coverage of political and other events. Take this offer and receive a complete coverage. For more information, call or WhatsApp 08065796599 or you visit Ebon at the 103.5 FM Ogidi opposite Ogunike Boys inside the Ovin Residency Hotel Ogidi. Man is a political animal. That's why we all have our views on politics. Political View comes to you at Ebonade 103.5 FM with Martin Ifan Shukumiki every Monday, 3 o'clock p.m. to 4:30 p.m. and Saturday, 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. It's all about the day-to-day activities in the Nigerian political space. Views of political actors from various political parties on political process, views of labor leaders, and most importantly, your views. Views of the common Nigerian. Tune in to Ebora at 103.5 FM or you join online via mixlr.com/GistFM every Monday and Saturday. What are your political views? Keep a date.
Yes, everything on the political scene today in Nigeria is focused on the visit of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and his wife to France as the president of France, wows Nigerians by delivering his speech, some part of his speech in pidgin English. Good morning. Meanwhile, President Tinubu, extended invitation to French investors to invest in Nigeria, as Nigeria is open for business, just the way he declared it. He emphasized his desire to form a favorable environment for investors. Good morning and welcome to Political Views on Airborne at the 103.5 FM.